Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. We're here to unlock the secrets of radiant, youthful skin, and the key is simpler than you might think. It's all about consistency and the right products. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. To begin, always remember that cleanliness is next to youthfulness. Make it a habit to cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser, getting rid of all the dirt and pollutants that can accelerate aging. After cleansing, be sure to protect your skin with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 moisturizer every morning, regardless of the weather. Check out for one of the most popular moisturizers mentioned in the video description. Sun damage is a major player in the aging game, responsible for those pesky wrinkles we all dread. When night falls, it's time to treat and hydrate. Look for serums that contain retinol, a superhero ingredient that boosts collagen production, smoothing out your skin. Don't forget to moisturize before bed to hydrate and plump your skin, preparing it for the beauty sleep it deserves. Ready to elevate your skincare routine? Let's explore some top picks from Amazon India and Flipkart. First up, we have the L'Oréal Paris Revitalift Lightweight Face Serum for hydrated, youthful skin. A drugstore favorite, it's brimming with hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, helping to plump out those fine lines and wrinkles. Fans rave about its lightweight texture and the visible results it delivers. Next, we have Mamaearth's Retinol Serum with Bakuchi, available on Flipkart. This gentle retinol option is perfect for those just starting their skincare journey. It combines retinol's wrinkle-minimizing ability with Bakuchi, a powerhouse of antioxidants reducing hyperpigmentation, ultimately giving you balanced and naturally even-toned skin. Squalane is an ingredient sometimes used in moisturizers and hair care products. It can help to keep skin hydrated and supple. Users praise its effectiveness and suitability for even the most sensitive skin. Last but certainly not least, we have NEUTROGENA's Hydro Boost Water Gel, Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50, available on both Amazon and Flipkart. This oil-free, lightweight sunscreen suits all skin types. Not only does it offer superior sun protection, it also keeps your skin hydrated without leaving any greasy residue. All you're left with is glowing, healthy skin. Remember, consistency is key in your journey to a younger-looking you. Start today and watch your skin transform before your eyes. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and share this video, and feel free to comment with your own skincare secrets. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty wisdom, and check out the video description for links to the products mentioned today. Wishing you a day filled with joy and radiance. Stay blessed. Thank you.